Okay, here's a quick video overview of the Genweigh Weighbox database communication software. This lets your scales communicate with your inventory database. This is just my iPhone. This works on Android or a PC, tablet, or um, really anything. So when you open the solution, there are two pages. This is piece input and then scale data. So this is a live view of the load on the scale. So as of right now, it's zeroed. If you put anything on the scale, you can see that in real time it's updated. Um, you can zero the scale from your device. You can zero it on the scale and the device updates. I'll do both of those. You can hit 0 and the scale will zero. You can remove them, 0 from the scale, and then the device is updated. I'll put it back into kg so it matches the scale so you can see them in real time thinking identically. So the real magic is on the piece input page. So what you need to do is tell the device what item ID number you want to look up. When you look up an item ID number, I'll just type in a known item ID number for our purposes. This, and I should note here, this can be a QR code scanner, this can be a drop-down selector, but as of right now, obviously I'm just typing this in, but there are options for how you enter this value. When you press get piece, it queries your database and it pulls a known piece weight. It then preps the scale automatically to count. So at this point, we're going to count widgets or whatever you want to count. You don't have to do a sample count as soon as that's known in the database. You can see that the device is updated as the scale counts. It's really just that simple. As you update the scale, the device is updated. It goes back down to 0. Go back to scale data. You can change weighing units. You can also switch bases. If you have more than one scale connected, you can switch. We don't have a second on this desk right now, but you hit this base button and it would switch between maybe a higher capacity scale or a higher resolution, smaller capacity if you have different classes of product that you're trying to count. And then the workflow and the operation is the same. So that's basically it, and feel free to reach out if you have any other questions. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.